Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best adhesive adjustment pearls are probably one of the most versatile and indispensable accessories for anyone looking to achieve a perfect fit and impeccable style in their clothing, offering a discreet yet effective solution for minor alterations and ensuring that your garments always look and feel just right without the need for complex sewing or professional tailoring, making them a go-to choice for quick fixes and everyday wear. Number 5. Scarecrow Small Deluxe Custom Fangs. Transform your look with these custom-fit fangs. Perfect for any costume, they offer a comfortable and realistic addition to your ensemble. Designed for a precise fit, these fangs blend seamlessly with your natural teeth. Experience a comfortable and secure wear all night long. Add a touch of the extraordinary to your appearance. These small, yet impactful fangs are sure to make a statement without being overpowering. Enjoy your event without worry. The custom molding ensures they stay put, allowing you to speak and smile with confidence. Complete your transformation with these high-quality fangs. They are the ultimate accessory for any vampire, werewolf, or creature costume. What we like? Looking for a dramatic transformation for a costume or event? These custom fangs offer a realistic and comfortable fit, allowing you to embody your character with confidence. If you desire a striking and believable effect for a special occasion, these are the perfect choice. What people say. The fangs stayed on all day. They were exceptionally easy to remove, with just a little push from the lower teeth to the back of the fangs, then a bit of wiggling down to loosen the fang from the tooth you molded it to. I was free to take it out and put it back in all day for band, eating, pictures. It was awesome. And putting them back on was super easy too, just a firm push back onto the tooth. These fangs are a yellowish ivory color instead of eggshell white, a color which matched my teeth better than cheaper, whiter fangs did. The small size looks more proportionate and realistic than default fang sizes if you have average-sized female teeth. The fangs stayed on perfectly for 2 4-hour stretches without any fang glue or denture glue. They are easy to take on and off, it's like taking off a retainer. I slipped them off, ate, brushed my teeth, then slipped the fangs back on. They fit back on even if you don't brush your teeth, but you might want to in order to keep your fangs clean. They are reusable. I slipped them on and off as I needed, and they fit snugly. I could talk while wearing these fangs. No drooling. The fangs fit very well without glue because of a waxy custom-fitted mold hidden inside of the teeth. Very comfortable, very straightforward to use if you read the instructions first and take your time understanding them. This style is much suited to those of smaller mouths and small teeth, like myself, and would highly recommend. For myself, they are easy to talk in, resisting stray weapon hits to the face and easy to drink with. Overall, they look very good with a more natural coloration than an unnatural white. Number 4. Gorilla Super Glue Gel. Introducing Gorilla Super Glue Gel, the ultimate adhesive for all your project and repair needs. Its strong formula is designed for quick and reliable bonding. Tired of messy drips? Our thick, no-run gel formula is perfect for vertical surfaces, ensuring a clean application every time. It stays right where you put it. From glass and plastic to wood, metal, and ceramic, this versatile glue handles it all. It's also effective on rubber, leather, and paper, making it truly all-purpose. Achieve a discreet and professional look with our crystal clear adhesive. It dries completely transparent, so your repairs blend seamlessly with the original material. Our innovative anti-clog cap keeps the glue fresh and ready for your next use. Say goodbye to dried-out bottles and hello to reliable performance, time after time. Get your projects done in seconds. This adhesive sets in just 10 to 45 seconds, eliminating the need for cumbersome clamps. It's fast, strong, and incredibly convenient. What we like? Need a reliable adhesive for tricky repairs or projects? This gel glue is ideal for vertical surfaces and bonds a wide range of materials quickly and discreetly. If you're tackling DIY projects or need a strong, fast-acting glue that won't drip, this is your go-to solution. What people say. Very strong and fast-drying. It immediately bonded, left it 24 hours to cure, and it sure seems like a good bond, but only time will tell. The gel formula makes it easy to control where the glue goes, so you don't end up with drips or sticky fingers. It sets fast but still gives you a few seconds to adjust if you need to. Number 3. Wholesome Wellness Organic Raw Probiotics. Discover the power of organic raw probiotics, formulated to support your digestive well-being. Our advanced blend is designed for both women and men. Experience a potent dose of 100 billion CFUs, carefully selected to promote a healthy gut microbiome. This complete adult supplement works to enhance your overall wellness. It's enhanced with essential prebiotics and digestive enzymes to further aid nutrient absorption and gut function. Support your body's natural processes effortlessly. Trust in a formula developed by experts, ensuring quality and efficacy for your daily health regimen. It's crafted to meet the needs of adults seeking better digestion. Enjoy the convenience of a shelf-stable formula, with 30 easy-to-take capsules per bottle. Maintain your health routine wherever life takes you. What we like. Prioritizing gut health with a potent supplement. This organic probiotic offers a high CFU count and includes prebiotics and digestive enzymes for complete support. If you're looking for a convenient, shelf-stable option to boost your digestive wellness, this is an excellent choice. What people say. After 40 days I have better results than anything else from the last year. My life took a turn for the better within 12 hours of using it. Bloating gone, gas gone, stomach happy, no burps or hiccups and much more energy. I think that the enzyme complex they add to the probiotics helps a lot. Also 34 well-chosen bacteria cultures help. It's hard to find a product with such a variety and number of helpful bacterial cultures. Number 2. Instant Smile Billy Bob Replacement Fitting Beads. Introducing the Instant Smile Billy Bob Replacement Fitting Beads. These are designed to give you a natural-looking smile with ease. You'll receive 8 packages of these waterproof white beads. They are perfect for ensuring your smile stays bright and secure. Application is simple thanks to the thermal adhesive. Just heat the beads and mold them for a perfect fit. This complete set of 8 beads ensures you have enough for a full, confident smile. Get ready to impress with your new look. Enjoy long-lasting results with these waterproof beads. They are made to withstand daily activities, keeping your smile flawless. What we like. Want a temporary, dazzling smile for photos or fun? These thermal adhesive beads are designed for easy application, creating a waterproof and complete full smile effect. If you're seeking a quick and simple way to achieve a confident, bright smile for any occasion, these are perfect. What people say. Works great to stabilize a loose or cracked tooth, but you should keep it in for a long while and to ensure the tooth is set. You can eat with them, brush your teeth and use a mouth rinse as normal. The process is incredibly simple, just heat the beads, mold them to fit your teeth, and voila! Instantly, my smile looks brighter and more even, covering gaps and imperfections with ease. Number 1. 990 PCS Self-Adhesive Pearl Stickers. Get a great value with this pack, offering a total of 990 pearl stickers in various sizes from 3mm to 6mm. You'll have plenty to complete all your creative projects. These pearl stickers boast a smooth, glossy surface that resists scratches and oxidation. They are also dust-proof and simple to keep clean for a lasting shine. Decorating is a breeze with these self-adhesive pearls. Simply peel them off the sheet and stick them onto your desired surface, no extra glue needed. Unleash your creativity with these versatile flat-back pearls. They are perfect for a wide range of applications, including makeup, nail art, phone decoration, and DIY crafts. Please keep these small embellishments away from children to prevent choking hazards. Ensure the surface you're decorating is clean, dry, and smooth for best adhesion. What we like. Looking to add a touch of elegance to your crafts or makeup? These self-adhesive pearl stickers come in various sizes and offer a smooth, glossy finish for easy application. If you enjoy DIY projects, nail art, or adding subtle embellishments to your creations, these are a versatile and beautiful option. What people say. They stick very easily to skin as well as hair and fabric, though somebody should come up with a tool to pick these up with. The wet Q-tip trick doesn't work. They are really stuck onto the plastic sheet they come on. That said, they held very well when pressed in place. I used them around my eyes and in my hair with no issue. They looked so cute and dainty. If you want to really secure them, add some lash glue to them before applying to your skin and hair. However, as an oily skin type girl, they stayed on decently well the times I didn't use lash glue. I originally purchased these to use for makeup looks, but quickly found out that I can use them to decorate just about anything. They are good quality and they will stay on all day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.